Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami. Welcome back. Nisahleli nesalokazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So today I'm here to answer one of the questions that somebody asked kuma comment. Othi gogo, I've got an itchy skin, right? Skin sam siyalunywa. Before we go to the spiritual side of it, because not everything is spiritual, some things are medical, right? Mophetho ekhanda, before you conclude that it's spiritual, first check yourself out. So please go to the doctors for you to check ukuthi awuna eczema, don't you have skin problems, use whatever they give you and see ukuthi it works or not. Now, I was one person who also had an itchy skin. And my itchy skin was not ukuthi ngiloyiwe or anything. My itchy skin came from abantwana benzuza. Most of the time you have a skin problem, you are a water child, right? So with me it will randomly happen, but most of the time it will happen my skin will itch. So I would fast, go to the sun, stand by the sun so that at least skin sami absorb the sun. But it was a problem because bengizengikhale nokukhala kwesinye isikhathi ngizinwaye ngithi yo guys, I can't till my husband was like hey bo girl, what's going on? Because I did go to the doctors, I did through everything they wanted me to do, but it was not getting any better. Till I discovered that it is spiritual. So the only way I was able to overcome it is after every bath, I would steam. Not only steam my face, right? I bought a 25 liters bucket le estimayo. I would boil the water, then leave it boiling. Ngithathe ingubo enkulu, sit on the chair or sit down, phuma kuwe, then cover everything ukuthi steam my whole body. Right, then I would not experience any itchings. So it's been long since nginga steamy, but now it's no longer itching. Because at first I would also use sunlight. I ended up not using the sunlight esiyaziyo ephuma emaphepheni, but I used that sunlight enkulu le green le yakudala le enuka kabi, that one that you cut, so but now I'm no longer using it. I'm just using the sunlight that you buy from the shop to bath, and now I'm better, I'm okay. I've seen that with both of my kids as well. My daughter was born with a skin engathi understand it. I was so shocked, magazalo. Then my son, no matter what you can do, you can take Vaseline yonke uyigcobe enyaweni sesizohlezi zidry, and even mom gcoba, you can feel the dryness, even the skin uyasifila la enyaweni ukuthi sihofunyana. So it's the perks of abantwana benzuza. But now another thing is that probably ushawe ngesichitho, because itchy skin, it's also the signs zokuthi ushawe ngesichitho. So there's a thin line. Sometimes you might say this, sometimes you might say it's that. So first go to the doctors, get your child self checked out. If it's not working after the doctors and the specialists, then you can go kumelaphi to figure out ukuthi skin sakho, is it itchy because of, is it a gift, or is it itchy because of wena ushawa ngesichitho? Sometimes it's itchy because of insipho oyisebenzisayo. Sometimes it's itchy because ingubo aziwashwa. Sometimes it's itchy because of insipho, the type of soap that you use to wash your clothes. Because mawuqeda or it stays soft, mawuqeda you put those clothes on your skin, so skin sakho reacts to that. So there's a thin line between what it may not be. So thank you so much for your question. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like my videos, share them. Thank you so much for the support, it really means a lot. uNkulunkulu namadlozi wenu anibusise, uNkulunkulu nedlozi niyanthanda. Don't forget to pray, always be positive, always speak life, always speak light. Avoid negativity in your life, because you will never grow spiritually, right? Because when you pray, you ask amadlozi namathonga ahlambulukile ukuthi asondele. But now if you are dirty with negativity, how would they sondela? The Bible says that God does not stay at a dirty place. Like yourself, you can't take amanzi empompini uthi uyawaphuza, then take iglass engcolile and pour the water and drink. You're gonna want a clean glass. So why do you think your ancestors and God would want to pour in an empty, noma in a dirty cup? Thank you so much for watching. Emakosini lesedi khanya kama kushewe. Ndawuwe.